Elise from Deco. Today's craft is about sewing mats. You can see I made very nice succulent shaped mat, to are very nice and very useful. I will show you in a moment how you can use them. The pattern is available in my shop. You can find the link in description. The patterns came in 4 different sizes. This one is the large one, and you have the smallest one here, which is perfect to make a chair cushion, and you have 2 medium sizes, this one and another one that I don't have here. The pattern comes with a full step-by-step tutorial, a full video tutorial, and to make it very easy for you to sew it. Now, let me show you how you can use this nice succulent mat.
As you can see, it makes a nice play mat. You can also use it as a pretty bed cover. The small patterns can be used to make chair cushions. It's reversible and you can use different fabric from the front and the back. You can lay the succulent mat on the couch. Of course, you can use it as a floor mat. Don't forget to put no slip pads under it. It can also be used as a pet bed for dog or cats. I think he likes it. As you can see, you can give the succulent mat a lot of different uses. I hope you will have fun sewing this fun project, and you can find the link to the pattern and the tutorial in the description.